Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video you are going to watch unboxing of Philips series 3000 beard trimmer, and the model number is QT4003. Here are some specifications like stainless steel blades, up to 20 length settings, and 35 minutes of continuous runtime after 8 hours of charging. So without wasting time, let's unbox it. At the top we get some important printed pieces of paper in many languages, and the Philips website is mentioned. So we get an Indian style charger for charging the trimmer. Let's remove the wire organizer. Here we get this type of pin. And the wire length is about 1 meter approx. So here are some specifications of charger. The input is 100 to 240 volts and the output is 4.3 volts to 70 milliampere. Here are some signs like the charger is not waterproof and do not cut the wire. At the front we get the Philips branding and LED light. Secondly, we get the plastic brush for cleaning your trimmer blades. Finally, here is the beard trimmer. The whole body is made up of plastic, and at the front we can see Philips branding. If we talk about back, it is made in Indonesia and used only with Philips A00390 supply unit. So here is the sliding on off switch. At the very first time you get the charged battery. We can also remove this for direct use. Don't worry, the blades are skin friendly and self-sharpening. Here is the lock-in zoom wheel to choose the length. From 0.5 to 20 length settings are here. At the bottom of trimmer we get the charging port. Let's insert the pin. It is inserted. You can also use this while charging, so it's very easy to use. Some specifications are also on the box like skin friendly blades, cordless use and washable blades. Guys, its MRP is 1695 rupees INR. As written on the box, guys, we can open the blades like this. Friends, only blades are washable but not the trimmer. See, you can wash only blades. So friends, if you like the video, then please like and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting updates. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video.